Jeannie, now this is your second year, right? Last year was your first year. How much have you learned in the year? I mean, is it hard to pick up?
Yes, it's hard work, but it's so worth it. It's so much fun, and this is a fantastic organization. And of course, I love Magic Dance Studio. And my reason for going in was for fun, for a little escape in life, to better myself. But competition is always a great goal to have. So.
What kind of a workout is this? Good workout too, right?
Yes, it's fantastic because you don't feel like you're exercising. So.
And you get to dress up. You look dynamite.
Thank you very much.
And Bogdan's a master, isn't he?
He is. He's a great coach.
Do you ever get distracted by the chest hair? Because I kind of do.
Well, I don't usually see it. This is like a rare occasion where he has it unbuttoned all the way down.
They're trying to find me one of these shirts, so we'll see.
I'm trying to find masculinity in the ballroom.
I know, I love it, I love it.
Shaving it like these young guys.
Bogdan from the Magic Dance Club, Pinellas Park. Go visit him. Go visit this guy. And come down to the Marriott in Tampa today for the Millennium Dance Sport Championships. All day long. It's $25 for tickets. Tonight is sold out, probably because Karina Smirnoff's going to be here. But come on down and learn some stuff. And look up Bogdan, too. He'll teach you a few moves.
Hey, Sean, you need to get out. The slow dance is going on now. That's always a good spot for us real dancing fools.
I gotta admit, I love the dresses.
I'm sure you do.
Sparkly, shiny. It's everything a guy could want. And chest hair
absolutely.
for the ladies. You know, a little something for the ladies.